I'm going to have a video just showing my initial unboxing because I did record that and I look a hot mess in that video, y'all, so please don't come for me. Hey YouTube, so I haven't been here in a while, but I have a new video to film for you guys because I am graduating on April 29th and April 30th. There's like a multicultural graduation on the 29th and then there's regular graduation. So I have to get like prepared for 2 nights, 2 like dresses, 2 hairstyles and all type of stuff. So one of the hairstyles that I chose to do requires this right here.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.
And I bought it from MyFirstWig, and I watched Raven Elyse's video, and I'll link that down below to pick this wig. And so hopefully Raven Elyse hasn't like done me all dirty or whatnot, because I picked this strictly based on her video. It was delivered by DHL. So, and they're pretty bomb because like they were updating me consistently from the first time I actually like placed my order. And then they actually deliver straight to your door, and it says you need a signature. Hold on. Did they actually make you sign?
Yes.
So they had my sister sign, and that's a long story as to why she signed. So it was DHL that came straight to the door. My sister had to sign, and literally before, like when they got here, but I didn't know they were here, they sent me an email and a text, and then literally 2 seconds later the dude called. It was like, oh hey, this is DHL with your package, da da da. And I'm like, okay. And also, I was filling over the package to see like what was in here, and I feel like I got the same stuff that Raven Elyse got in her package, but on the website that wasn't clear that you would get extra stuff in the package or not. And I was gonna like buy the stuff, but then I was like, you know what, let me just not buy it and see what happens. But I did go ahead and buy a wig cap to like put on my head because it was just $1. Other stuff was like $5 and $4. So I was like, let me just wait on those things to see what comes in the package. But I think the same stuff that Raven Elyse got is in here. So we can go ahead and open this to see what's in here. So this is one of the things that Raven Elyse got that was like $5 or $4. It's a wig stand to actually put the wig on when you take it off. So I'm happy I got that because I really wanted this. It says MyFirstWig, quality wigs for beginners. And then the back looks like this, has all their social media. Website and email. And one of the emails I got was like from a direct person, and it was like a girl. I don't remember what her name was, but there was like a direct email saying, oh, thank you for your purchase or your first purchase with us, da 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 da. So inside the box is one of the wig caps, and I think there is 2 in there, and it says it's polyester material. And then I have the bag. So this is the same thing that Raven Elyse got. And see, this must be the one that I bought on my own, but inside here is the one that they gave to me with this purchase. And then they give a rat tail comb. The other part's metal. And you get 2 clips, or 1, 2, yeah, 2 little clips. And then some bobby pins, like the big ones. And then instructions right here. Yeah, so instructions. And yeah, that just tells you like everything to do with the wig, how to put it on, I guess. And because the wig cost so much, I only got the 16 inch. I don't know. I feel like the 16 inch will be good enough.
Are you going
but I was scared about that. Of course, the grand finale, the actual wig, which comes in this pink thing. Once again, just like Raven Elyse, so you get to put it in there to keep it like from being all over the place, or you can put it on the wig stand. But if you like had to travel with it or something, you could put it in this bag. And let's see here. So then there's also a piece of paper which tells you all about the wig, I guess. And does the wig have net on it or anything? No, I think this is the wig, like it's already. Okay. No, there is net on it. So then there's net on it. Take that off. And here is the wig. If this freaking net could get off of me, that would be great. Okay. So, oh my god. Oh my god. So here's the wig, and it feels so lovely. Oh my god. I'm so excited. And so this is a lace wig, so I can part it any way I want. Because you're supposed to be able to do that. I already put the comb up, so whatever. We're not going to part it right now. But there's already like a middle part there, but you can change the part if you want. And then you just, like, YouTubers have all these videos about actually molding the wig to how you want it. So that's what you would do if you change the part. And it feels really bomb. And it doesn't look, like Raven Elyse was saying, it doesn't seem that thin or look that thin. And I don't think it does look thin, which I was also really, really scared about. I was like, Raven Elyse, please don't be doing me dirty right now, girl. But it looks pretty, it looks thick enough. Like, it doesn't look too thin where it looks just like raggedy, and then it doesn't look too thick where it looks like it's too much. Like, if I had thick hair, like more hair follicles or whatever, my hair would probably look like this. So I can just put it on real quick just to get a gist of it. So of course it's gonna look real crazy because I just have my regular hair still the way that it is. My sister's taking a picture of me. But let me lift up this camera so you guys can look at it a little better. So, I mean, it looks real crazy, but just look at like the outside, like the thickness of it all. Not how it actually looks on my head, because of course it looks really dumb right now. But so this is 16 inches and it comes right below my boob. Yeah, so at least it does come like below my, that's what I thought. I thought it would come like right below my boob, and like I just didn't want it to be, I really didn't want it to be extra long and not look so unnatural. But I like long hair and weave, so it's just like, I don't know, I was just really scared that this wouldn't be, it would be too short to the point where I'm gonna wear this for graduation because I paid for it, but then we're not gonna wear this again. So, but I think I'd wear it again. And I'm also contemplating if I'm gonna dye it or not for graduation, because this is, I think, jet black. So I can also read to you the information that's on here. So it says 1 Alexis Malaysian Hair Simply Flawless Full Lace Wig NFS002, hair color, natural hair color, but Raven Elyse said this is like pretty much like jet black. And then clip length 16-inch, clip ends none, so I guess that means like extra clip ins or something. Texture silky non-yaki, lace color light brown, cap size 1, cap construction glueless lace cap. And then yeah, that's all the information that it gave. But Raven Elyse said this is jet black. I don't know, I'd have to look at it longer in light to see if there's any, you know, hues of just like dark brown in it versus just jet black. I feel like it actually does have a little bit of brown in it versus it just being jet black, which I was also scared about, because I'm like, I don't want to look like she was saying, like Raven Elyse was like, oh, I look like Elvira, and that's not what I was trying to look for. I mean, it looks like good on her, but when she put it on, because her hair is blonde, she was like, oh god. But this doesn't look like too crazy, because whenever I dye my hair, my own hair jet black, I'd be looking like, Jesus, this is real black. But this doesn't look like real black.
She sounded like Biggie in that one song.
I don't know if y'all heard her, but she said I said it like Biggie in that one song. But actually, even with it on my head like this, I like it. Hello, girl. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? I like it. I'm about to be flossing.